Hi, how you doing? My name is Paul Turner, and I'm about to do create some marketing content, right, to do a quick promotion. So I thought, what the hell, I'll record it. So um, there is some software called, well, I call it Capwing, but they call it Capwing. um, it's really, really good. So at the minute, for example, one of the things I'm involved with is Power Lead System. So what you can do with Catwing is you can basically just put in a keyword or a phrase, or you can use your own script or whatever. But let me share screen again, but tick the box for sound. So you should be able to hear this now. It's only music, but you might as well get the full effect. So there you go. So as you can see, pretty decent. Didn't take me long at all. And how it works is if I show you how it works. So I need to go back to the dashboard. Okay. So how it works is like this. If we're going to create a new project, I could say, I could give it a keyword, say, what should we do? Affiliate marketing tips. So I'll just type that in, tell it what I want. So let's suppose I want vertical, make it suitable for shorts. And I'll leave it. I prefer that as the look. So you generate video, take a few seconds. Now you can add your own slides, you can add backgrounds. It's got a lot of stock images. There's a free version will let you do a limited amount. So you can do some stuff absolutely free. Right, so the point of this video though is I want to, there's not an affiliate program with this, right? But I want to share this as a tip. So this is one of those value pieces of information that you can have. So when you are trying to build your sort of know, like, and trust, if you genuinely go out with a sort of a plan to help people, it changes how you market. So if I forget about the money and I just want to help people, Capwing is a great little tool. So you see here, look, it's made me a video and all I put in was marketing tips. So some of those are okay and some of them aren't. So I don't like that one. So for example, all you do is you come back wherever that slide was. That one there. So you click on that, get rid of that. Let me just see what the text said. Don't sacrifice your reputation. So then what you do is you come up to, you got videos. Okay, so I want a video in the background. I could just click. Let's put in reputation. I don't think that will bring anything up, but we can have a look. Up with you, reputation. No, I don't think so. Trust. I'll go for a handshake, I think. Let's see if it's going to fit. Yeah, probably should have got a vertical one. Never mind. I'll do a Bible. There you go. Just effort, achievement, motivation. Okay. So yeah, so I like that one. Obviously it's at the front now. So I need to come down here and all you do is you change it. I want that to go to the back and then my text will come over the top. That image that I put in there needs to go. There you go. So now if I scroll this back. So basically you can make a video in No, that's not really the point of this video, but I needed to show it so you know what I'm doing. So what I want to do is I want to create a blog post explaining this to people. And so on YouTube, I found a great video.
We all know how slow and tedious video editing can be.
Where he explains Catwing and everything. So
creating a video from scratch can take many hours.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the share button. Okay. I'm going to copy the share code, the share link. And then if I come over to ChatGPT, now I've got the paid version of ChatGPT, which means you can actually add these plugins. And one of the plugins is called Video Insights. Okay. So if I use Video Insights, I can say, please give me a summary of this video. And what it's doing now, it should open up that plugin. Now the plugin is looking at the YouTube video for me. And it's working out what the video is about. So while this is doing its thing, I'm going to go to my blog, therealphilturner.com. Now I have a WordPress blog. I've had this for years. My computer seems to go very slow at the minute when I have Zoom on. I might need to clean my hard drive or something. So anyway, so here we go. So I'm in the back office. I'm getting ready to add a new post. So let's see how we're doing. So here you go. Look, so it's can you see? Video entitled, introducing Catwing AI, create more content in less time. So here we go. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to add a new post. So I'm going to call it Catwing. Well, if I want to rank, okay, now I should create unique content, but this isn't going to be that unique. I need to write more around it. So we can do that. Actually, I can show you how to do that. The vidIQ. So you can come in here, go to keywords. Now these are YouTube based. So view all 148 keywords, put them into order. If I click matching items, but look, 8,000 people every month are searching for Catwing video editor, right? And it's the competition's very low, right? It's got quite a good score. So I'm going to use Catwing video editor is going to be my title. And Catwing video editor. Now, so I'll leave a space for the video. I'll put that in there. I want to put the actual video in, of course. So I'm going to copy that share code again, come back to my blog. I'm going to put that in there. Normally that opens it up, never mind. Okay, why isn't that working? Normally that works like a charm. There we go, that's what I was after. Space above, more text. Right, so now what I want to do is say, please write me a 300, let's go for 300 word article about the Catwing video editor. Okay. And mentioning the AI. So let's not do that. Let's just see what it comes up with. Now, ChatGPT only goes up to, I think, 2021. So again, one of these plugins will let you read the web. So let's see what it finds just by doing this. So, seems pretty good. Here's my article. Just reading it as it writes it out. Seems pretty good. Now, if I wanted to rank for SEO in Google, I would rewrite this, because if anybody else out there uses a similar keyword, they're going to get a very similar article. And Google can tell if you're using AI or not to write your content. And whilst it might not be too much of an issue with this, obviously anybody now can write articles. You're just seeing it done. Okay. Powerful tool, right? Okay. So I like that. That all seemed good. Okay. We'll go back to here. So where do I want to put that content, right? I might want to mix the video around it. I'm not sure. Or I might want to put it, you know, I might want to mix it up actually. So let's do that. Let's do that. Copy. That there. Right, I've just got to pause this a minute, guys, because I've just got to take care of something at the door. Sorry about that. Okay, I know it's only been a second for you, but I've been away quite a while. So let's get back to the screen and make sure this is all still hunky-dory. So I put the first part of the article at the top, and I've got the video, and then I've got the rest of the article, right? And we've got the summary of the article. But what I thought it would do is put, if you want to see a video I made with Catboy, okay, then right there, and this will come up, okay. Powerly System Review 2, there you go. And that's the one that I showed you at the start of this video, right? And it says there start for just £1, so it'd be rude not to put my link in, okay? So, so we're going to put a add media. I'm going to put a $1 trial. I think I've got a load of click here buttons in here somewhere. Let's see what's suitable. We've got to go back a long way to find one. I should have just got a fresh one. Okay, so we could do this one. Oh, here you go. That looks like a sign up for $1 trial. There we go, perfect. You see, I know I had one. And then that needs to go to this link here. Copy. So we're going to make that a link. And that's going to go to here. Now, a little tip for you, SEO-wise, one of the ways that they measure how good your website is how long people stay on your website. So if what you do is this, you always open a link in a new tab. That means people land on this page. This link takes them away from my page, but leaves this open in the background. So in effect, it's still open. I don't know if that still works, but it was a tip I got years ago, right? And I've always stuck with it to update. So that should be my link, right? So that all looks pretty good. What category as well? Affiliate marketing. Okay, I've added ChatGPT. Yeah, we're going to add ChatGPT. So we're going to add new category. So it'll be that as well, because it's to do with AI. And then we can do MLM lead generation. There we go. That'll do. done this stuff for so long, guys. Tags, I don't know if these really work anymore, but I created some with ChatGPT when I uploaded that video, so it'd be rude not to just use these, wouldn't it? So we can put those in. Well, that's more about catwing. So look, so I have written a blog post about catwing.com on a WordPress blog and need tags to help me rank with SEO in Google. Please. Sure. Here are SEO friendly tags you can use for your blog post about catwing. Awesome. Like it. That's probably enough, don't you think? 19, is it going to stop at 20? Okay, thanks. Please give them to me as comma separated. Then I can just copy and paste in. It is quite annoying in some ways how good AI is these days. When I used to have an SEO business, so I spent hours learning stuff and writing posts and tweaking and doing keyword research to come up with like tags like this and content ideas like this. Pretty scary to think where we're going to be. Okay. Do I want to set a featured image for this? Yeah, let's set a featured image. And I'll give you a tip on that as well. So if you go to Google, I'm sure Catwing won't mind because it's promoting them. Which means I should put a link into Catwing as well. I'm sure they wouldn't mind, but what you can do, if you go to Catwing, I could just take a picture of the site, but if you go to images in Google, how to edit videos using Catwing. It's not really what I want, but okay, so that's their logo. Okay. So if you come to tools and you can select usage rights, commercial and other licenses. That means any of these you are legally allowed to take, right? The license on these is for commercial use and sort of any use really. I'm not sure if any of those really are sort of Catwing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Catwing. Catwing. The page is having a problem. And I'll just take their logo. Save image as big welcome to Pro Hero. Right, so call it Catwing. This will be my featured image. See if that looks okay. I want a featured image because on your blog, when people go and look at your blog post, it stands out. So remember the keyword I want to rank for, Catwing Video Editor. Editor or editor? All right, okay. So there's that. Copy. Here we go. Set featured image. I need to put a link to catwing.com. I don't think they have an affiliate program. And this video is not really about that anyway. I don't want to invite members. Okay. So it's just catwing.com. Sign out. Take this, copy. This looks nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to print screen. Just use good old Microsoft Paint. Come on, computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a banner almost out of this. We're going to do that's fine. Done. Okay. Menu, save as, image. Call it Catwing banner. Come back to my blog post. And we'll put it at the bottom. Try Catwing free at button for free by clicking the banner below. Okay, so I'm going to add media, upload. Catwing banner. Get the link. Copy. So we're going to insert that into post. Okay, I didn't want that there, did I? Make that a link. Again, open link, always open link in a new tab. Okay, and edit this. Print to text. Catwing video editor. Okay, centered. Yeah, that's what I want. Don't need to worry about any of that. Caption, if I put that in. Okay. Update. Right. Now let's have a look at this and see how it looks. So we publish. View post. Is my Catwing video editor. Oh, it's got that button at the top. So this looks fine. Okay, that's the video. This all looks fine. That's that link to my page, catwing.com. Over as your system.com. So those links are good. Let me just check this one. Take you to $600 a day. Yeah, that's all fine. And it opened in a new tab. So if you then go and click blog, you should have, yeah, that image there. Look, so see, when you don't put one, they don't stand out so much. So I've started putting them, always using an image, so if people come to the blog to have a look. So there you go, guys. That's it. It's marketing done. I'll put a link to this underneath. You know, while you're here, if you want to check out my podcast or testimonials or anything, if you need some help and you want somebody that can help you, you know, I do help my team in anything that I do. So I don't know why that Sharing is caring button went to the top. That's better. It shouldn't be. That's the only thing I don't like, but hey, so what? I'll leave it in. There you go. That's how you do it, guys. See you on the next video.